Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I appreciate you being here. Today, I'm sharing a little haul I got. And did you guys know that kind is the new pretty? Did you know it? Anyway, this is a box I got from Tarte. My little Tarte haul. So I had one recently that I shared not that long ago, but they had such good sales that I had to go back and get a few more things. I got a few different things than I wouldn't normally get in this one. So anyway, let's get to it. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. If you want to support my channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Those things are all great and very appreciated. So, as far as the Tarte, here we go. We got our bag of Tarte goodies. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a box here. I have some brushes I got. Now these brushes, I think I ended up paying $13 for these on sale. It's called the Secrets from the Amazonian brush set. And I just thought they were fun. They have the little gold on them. They feel very, very good. I love the feel of these brushes. So anyway, I'm kind of excited to use them. So they're just fun with the gold. So I got a couple face brushes and an eye brush in the set. So that's my first thing. Not bad, right? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to share here is got a couple of lip products, and one I'm actually really excited about. I actually used it today. But it is the Maracuja Juicy Lift Lip Liner. Now, I have the Maracuja Juicy, I have the more than one of these, of the lipstick, and like it. It's got a little pump pin and whatever. Now, this, I was just curious because I'm such a lip liner fan right now. And this, here it is. It has like a flat tip here, so you just, anyway, you can just, it's kind of different. You just can go around. It helps you to line your lips really good. So that's what the color is, which is perfect for me. It matches. It's gonna match the other lip product I got really well, which is let's see, where is it? This is called Skin. Oh, wait, no, that's not it either. Where is it? Okay, let me find my other lip. Right here. Maybe this is it. Okay, so this is the Sugar Rush Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Cupcake Pink. And this is what it looks like, and I'm going to show you right next to that. It's gonna, yeah, they're kind of go, I guess, but this is kind of what I have on already had on. I like the feel of it. So anyway, there's that. And let's see here. The next thing I have is a mascara, which I don't know if it said 0. So I think they may have given this to me free, or somehow it zeroed out with a credit I had or something. But anyway, this is called the Surfer Curl. It's kind of cute. Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. Okay, zero money, so I don't mind that. I thought it would have a curling brush, but it looks like it just has a straight, kind of a straight brush here. Looks good. It looks like a decent mascara. I love all Tarte has the best overall. Just, they have a ton of really nice mascaras. I have not heard of this one yet, even though I like the name. But it looks like a decent one too. It's just probably not like their Holy Grail ones. But anyway, there's that. So the next thing I have here is I've got a, this is called a Skin Treat. Let's see where this is. It's a concealer. Because I love the Shape Tape so much, I kind of wanted to try this. It's kind of in like a lipstick kind of container. So there it is. And I got it right here on my hand. And so there's that. Anyway, and that I think I paid $10 for. And then the Go With The Faux, this right here is something I would not normally ever get. It's kind of ridiculous. And it's a freckle pen. Now, I gotta tell you, actually, I thought I was filming. I did this earlier. I thought I was filming, but for some reason it wasn't filming. It had stopped. So I had already done this in real life for you guys, and I did not like it. I don't like a bunch of brown dots on my face. So anyway, that's kind of a waste, but I don't know if anyone of you want this or would use this. It's been used, but anyway, there we go. It was just kind of fun. I had to do it I have all the beauty products, so many different kinds, and I thought, you know, I don't want to try one of those freckle ones. So here we did. We tried it. It was $6, whatever. And then again for $6, I got an Busy Gal Brows Tinted Brow Gel. And this just, it has a different kind of, I like that. It's kind of got a different kind of foot on it. And anyway, so I'll try that. So now these are things I've never owned from Tarte. So I just thought, let's try a few new things. And then the last thing I have, last but not least, I have something big in here. And this just looked really yummy to me. Let's see. I think I did pay like $14 for it, but it is a big thing of cake butter. This is a whipped body butter. And let's see if it's open. It's not open, so I'm not going to open it, but I hear that it smells. I almost can smell it through here. It just smells really good. So Sugar Rush whipped body butter. It's a pretty big, it's a big size. So it ought to last a while. So anyway, I like that. So that was my last item. So anyway, it was fun. There's the lips, the eye brush pencils, this, all the little fun freckle mascara, all those. So anyway, that's my latest Tarte haul. Still loving Tarte. I'm going to probably do an all Tarte makeup look coming up. Because I have everything you need to do a Tarte look. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like Tarte? What's your favorite Tarte product? I would have a hard time telling mine because I like so many of their products. But the Shape Tape by far is, you know, that's just a holy grail. So I do love their Shape Tape. But anyway, that's it. That's it for this haul. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.